guys, so today I'm going to show you how to prepare the Doosi-Mix flour from True Green Foods. If you have actually watched the other videos of how I do prepare the swallow foods, I usually will mix the flour up with the water before stirring it up over heat. So with this one, I'm going to show you another way of doing it, and whichever way you prefer, you go with it. They all work about the same. With this one, I'm going to let the water come to a boiling point, and with the mixture or the amount I'm going to use, 6 ounces of water. So this is 6 ounces of water boiling up. It is at a boiling point for me right now. So what I usually will do is I'll lower it down a little bit when I'm putting the powder in it for tablespoons, heaped tablespoons, with 6 ounces of water. And these are foods that are very low in carbs. So like I always say, they are very good if you want to have a good lifestyle change. So make that 4. All right, I'm gonna crank the fire up, and then I'm just gonna stir. Okay, so as I was saying, this is very good if you want to have a good lifestyle change in your eating habits. If you're dealing with any metabolic disease like high blood pressure, diabetes, cancer, you just name it. Most chronic diseases are metabolic diseases. So these are really good options. It will not raise your sugars up because of the low carbs that are in it, and they're really filling, so you don't have to eat so much. So guys, look, this is really yummy when I use it for T-zit. I love it when I use it for T-zit. So this you could definitely eat with your soup, your okra stews or soup, or anything that you eat with your swallows. That's really, look at that, guys. Look, see, not a lot of manpower like the other swallows give you. So this is literally done. Literally, it is done. See, guys? All right, so we're done. Told you. It actually takes about a minute or two to get this ready. Got it in there. Look at that, guys. Yes, this is the Doosi-Mix flour from True Greens. Enjoy with any stew, soup. All right. Well, if you do like this video, please do not forget to smash that like button for me, subscribe, and share. Thank you.